Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on factorising. When we are asked to factorise an algebraic expression, we are being asked to write the algebraic expression by using brackets. This is the reverse operation of removing brackets. To do this, we find the HCF and place it outside the brackets. The HCF could be a number, a letter, or a combination of both. Now, if we remember from a previous lesson, the HCF is the highest common factor. So let's see how we do these examples. Factorise each of the following algebraic expressions. Number 1 is 4m plus 8. So what we have to do is find the highest term that divides both into 4m and into 8, and that's called the HCF. Clearly we can see that that's 4. So we put the 4 there, and then inside the brackets we have to see what we need to write, because when we do the multiplication we end up with that expression there. We can see that the only way we're going to get 4m is to have m here, because 4 times m is 4m. So that must be m. The only way we can get 8 there, 4 2s are 8. So we have just factorised this algebraic expression. Number 2, 12y plus 18. What's the highest term that divides into 12y and 18? It's 6. So 6 times what gives us 12y? It has to be 2y, so that's why that's 2y. 6 times what gives us 18? It has to be 3, because 6 3s are 18. So we have now factorised that expression. Sometimes you can have a minus or negative sign at the front. So we have minus 18w plus 45. Now, what's the highest term that divides into minus 18w and 45? Well, we can use minus 9, because it's best to have the first term in here as a positive. So, hence if we use minus 9, that means the first term here has to be positive, because minus times a positive equals a minus. So we can see that's 2w, because when we multiply those two together we get minus 18w, and minus 9 times minus 5 is plus 45. So there's the factorisation. My plus 3m. What's the highest common factor of my and 3m? Clearly it's m. We can see that inside the brackets we have y plus 3. My plus 3m. So there's the factorisation. And finally, 7k squared plus 14k. We can see that the HCF is 7k, so it is a combination of a number and a pronumeral letter, and that's possible. 7k times k is 7k squared. 7k times 2 is 14k. So there's the factorisation there. So this video has introduced us to the idea of factorisation, which is actually the opposite process of removing brackets. And one of the tricks we have to use is we need to find the HCF of the given algebraic expression and then place it outside the brackets.